Hello and welcome to Wholehearted Me. I've had a viewer question, and I thought it would be quicker just to answer it this way. How can I move this up the top? You can't move it, just so you know. You cannot move it. This is where you now create your notebook, folder and quick sheet. It's down here, and where you also use the search function from here now. It's always going to be down there unless it's written into the software of reMarkable. And so if I was in, say, work, the word reMarkable, if I tap it, I can get back to my home, my files, which is the root directory. There is no way of changing and moving where this goes. That's not an option. You can do other things to customize your home screen. In here, you can change these, and they also ascend and descend as well, which is really cool. And you can go to a list rather than a grid view, but you can't move these two buttons, this whole menu. This is actually a menu down the bottom here. You can't move this. This is where it is until reMarkable change their software. That's where it is going to stay. I hope that helps. I will see you in the next one. Bye.